How to change header on Tumblr mobile. As you open up your application and go to your profile selection in your account right here, and you're gonna see that you have untitled setup, which is on your header. And for example, if you want to go and change that selection, you can see you can change your header image. But how do you change your header name? When you get on changing your name session, the first thing it is to go right here and change your header image. You can take it out without any problem. Yeah, you can choose a photo and simply get it right there from your gallery. As you can see, I will go with this one, and as you get on that selection, after you got all that stuff in one session, you're going to be available to get and point the last selection. As I said, when you get right here on your profile selection, guys, and you go on that button section, which is on your upper side, go for change your header section. And as you go and change your header image, you can change right here your header name or your header section. I'm gonna go with this one, and then you can take the font or the color, and when you're ready on your left upper side, then on your right upper side to go save, and you're done.